my name is Nate. And welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am doing a Dutch pour today. I'm going to do a flower shape, very similar to what Rinske Dauna does with blowing out the shape and then spinning it on her turntable. So that's what I'll be doing today too. I have some really fun colors, a very limited palette, but I think it's going to be beautiful. So I have Amsterdam Titanium White, I have Josonia Pale Gold, I have Liquitex Basics Deep Violet, which is one of my favorite colors. It looks like raspberry something. Oh, I love it. And then I am also going to blow over, I've mixed up some cell activator using quinacridone rose from Amsterdam acrylics, and that's going to be in the center, and I'm going to blow that over top of these other colors, and hopefully it'll create some cells and lacing. I did another one earlier, reversing this actually, where the violet was the cell activator and the pink was in thing, and it turned out gorgeous. So I'm hoping it's going to look just as good the opposite direction. My base coat color is a mix of Amsterdam Titanium White and Amsterdam Greenish Blue. 4.5 parts white with just a half part of the Greyish Blue. I wanted to tone that color down. It dries a lot darker than you expect. So I'm hoping that it stays kind of soft and pastel, and it has just the tiniest little hint of violet to it. So I think it'll go really well with this pattern, or with this color scheme. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started putting down our base coat. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water, 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, except for the Josonia Pale Gold. It's a little more heavily pigmented, so I only used like 3 ounces of Floetrol and 0.75 ounces of the paint. Anytime you can extend your paint like that, the better. Paint is way more expensive than the pouring medium. There we go. Save a little bit of that so I can put it around my puddle. Yeah, so let's go ahead and blow this up.
Time can never be your trusted friend or your sworn ally. No, it's the harshest mistress of all. And life is just a chain of moments spent, 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. Maybe a love like ours can lead out its call. Seasons come and pass, one after the last, and along we go. The shift and pull of the tides never sleep. have this promise.